it's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf, we the baddest. And as is a rap connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. Woo! Today, guys, we're here with part second. Part second of Wasp. Wasp a rap some artist. This is part second. So we react to part the first part already. We're gonna drop a link on the we're gonna drop a video card at the end of the video so you can click on it and see the actual first one. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. Sorry to interrupt your video. There again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that, and you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up, you see me? Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram, you see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that, you see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video. But this is number second, so let's jump in the one and hear where what's let's go.
Top boss, me know me a pre-comment section of them I said I circle them on a load in a rap. Yo, circle them and I make nothing else to escape this time.
This is how talented this fucking artist is, bro. Like, this is how lyrical this artist is. The man say my the comment section, and the comment section I say I do certain artists alone, yeah, Rob. Want to the rest of the artists them. So the boss will say, yo, listen what I go on. I go circle them right now and show them some bad, I'm afraid of nothing. Let's go.
Circle them on a load in a rap. Yo, circle them and I make nothing else to escape this time.
Nothing else to escape.
Corrupt, yeah, summer mind stay. My rap training club on Valentine Day. Stick him up and take the mill where he my user by K. Rather than on a hillside. Lift up and go back down a mobile.
Can it lie, the first man get robbed another one. Alright. Can it lie, you get robbed on Valentine's Day, bro. The man take away your meal where you use by K. You see me? And rather than on a hillside, man say lift up and go back down a mobile. But can it lie, not far from mobile state, but I just rhyme around that one for the start. Yeah?
Mill where he my user by K. Rather than on a hillside. Lift up and go back down a mobile. After all, no you say your tattoo eyeball. Hey boy, lean up against the wall. Run the jewelry, run your wallet. You know the man a ball. Your dog them stop wait for your call.
I can get robbed. After all, dog just wait for the call. For rifle in the funeral, the man can take everything.
After all, no you say your tattoo eyeball. Hey boy, lean up against the wall. Run the jewelry, run your wallet. You know the man a ball. Your dog them stop wait for your call. Yeah, me do a 360, me rap 450. Run the tour money, give me the whole 250.
Bruh! Bumbuckler, man saying rap 450. Give me the whole tour money.
Do a 360, me rap 450. Run the tour money, give me the whole 250. Gully gotta try run, you think you frisky? My rough fly like a few frisbee.
Golly God, nobody not escaping a dog, so you have to just take your rap and just go on with it. That's it. Yeah, Wasp, speak up yourself.
Run, you think you frisky? My rough fly like a few frisbee. Tada. Me grab your and send you to your mother. Tada. Life or death. Me rap people no matter which part. By run the roll it by your wrist fast. Have your girl a jump on the cocky crisscross. My
Byron. So the man take your Rolex and send it to your mother. And him a fuck your girl on top of that. Right, you.
Run the roll it by your wrist fast. Have your girl a jump on the cocky crisscross.
Right, you.
My war can squash like 6 bars. Better.
Alright, play pan ready. So my work can squash like 6 bars. So
girl a jump on the cocky crisscross. My war can squash like 6 bars. Better learn this fast. Me run up on skilly bang strap. Take the crocodile teeth and 100 pack. Yes, him say you know the consequence of your act. The last boy try that get whap. Me rap.
Man a business boy, you whap, brother. The man a business boy, you whap. What? Why you never take him yellow X6 Was? You should have taken yellow X6 too, that's valuable.
Me run up on skilly bang strap. Take the crocodile teeth and 100 pack. Yes, him say you know the consequence of your act. The last boy try that get whap. What? My rob Nige boy and swear say him blind. Take him money off of the table, him say put back every dime.
Yeah, fuckery. Yeah, fuckery was. Your fuckery was. Your fuckery.
Rob Nige boy and swear say him blind. Take him money off of the table, him say put back every dime. Probably rob Briscoe know that him authorized. Take we Russian dirty money while Shensia advice.
The man say I'm gonna rob Briscoe. Know him authorized. So him authorized, him sang out, he make a food. So I'm gonna rob him. Him gonna rob Russian when Shensia advice too. Yo!
Probably rap Briscoe know that him authorized. Take we Russian dirty money while Shensia advice. Not artists, run that, don't itch, run that. Stop going like you don't know where the funds that. Jewelry, run that. Vehicle, run that.
Everything.
Me not know no man faster than a gunshot. Run that, pussy, run that. Stop going like you don't know where the funds at. Run that, run that. My rap intense and I water, him a cry, grab rose.
I was waiting for this one. Why was I waiting for this one? Man saying rap intense and I water, him a cry.
That.
Play by word.
Rap intense and I water, him a cry, grab rose dan chain and give my black eye. Take we
Rose Dan, I get a black eye for your chain, bro.
intense and I water, him a cry, grab rose dan chain and give my black eye. Take we governor, little gun them win by. I don't say Wasp, what the fuck you do boy? Massive.
Obviously, you know, see a governor get robbed, so I don't not happy with that. I do not say, yo, Wasp, what the fuck you on, bro? What you
Take we
do?
governor, little gun them win by. I don't say Wasp, what the fuck you do boy? Massacre album a classic, no question. And over the watch it and the ring by your left hand. Hey, what's my badness global? My sign to Def Jam. A hungry man is a angry man, is like a deaf man.
You're deaf. Run the black car Rolex and the ring by your hand. Not because your album a classic, you're running it.
What's my badness global? My sign to Def Jam. A hungry man is a angry man, is like a deaf man. Somebody say a style and craft run earth. You can't style a G, rich craft won't work. Me with Papa, Berry, Tire, Inna, your liver, send your Ras, God, dirt. Run that, don't
DJ,
run that.
DJ Flo.
Stop going like you don't know where the funds that. Jewelry, run that. Vehicle, run that. Me not know no man faster than a gunshot.
Run that.
Pussy, run that. Stop going like you don't know where the funds at. Run that, run that. Try itch, then you are gonna get gunshot.
Yo, we need some more artists to get robbed. We need more artists. We need Patchy. We need Patchy. We need some more artists we left out. Remember, say left out all the artists. I have to call them name, you know. You left out all the artists. You have to call them name. Listen back to part 1, guys, and part 2, and then hear how much artists him left out. We need part 3. Yeah, we need part 3. Yeah, part 3. Yeah, them English there. Part 3. Yeah. Yo, this bad though. This bad. Wasp, big up yourself for the creativity, bro, and the humor. Well put together song, bro. Big up yourself. Enjoy that one, the dog. Yo, man, say rap intense and I want to start cry. Yo. My favorite part of that part when rap about Nige boy. When him say rap Nige boy, I think say him blind. Him say put back every dime. Yo, this bad da. Yo, big up yourself, my fam. Big up yourself, Cash apart. Big up. This is what I leave the one I see. If you enjoy the one, I want to see part 2. Part 2 is part 1 is now on your screen floating about, so you can link click the link and get one part 1. Zin? Alright, peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip corner.